Hi, loves. I'm guided to bring through some new earth energies today. And I'll see how they want to come in, how I'm meant to share them. When I was grounding and doing some Qigong earlier today, I could feel a huge shift in the connection that is available to us with Mother Earth. And I was being told that the new earth equals the true earth, meaning that a lot of the illusions that were that felt very real to us and that we kind of lived by are falling away and have fallen away. So it's feeling very clear and very powerful and very peaceful. And I was told that the more we focus on this, and nature is the gateway, nature is the portal into this, the more we focus on the beauty, on the peace, on what we wish to create and long for, the more we'll just focus on that, and all the old illusions can fall away. And this is happening very quickly. I know those of you who have been doing this work for a long time, we have received these messages before, but I'm really feeling them and noticing them in a very tangible way. So I want to open up this space for you to connect with the new earth. Simply set the intention to be fully present or as present as you can in your physical body. Take a few deep breaths to land here and feel your bum on the chair, on the ground, your feet on the ground. And simply tune into your connection with Mother Earth, with the new earth. And see your roots sprouting down or coming more into your awareness, because they're always there. It's just when we bring our attention there, we can feel them more strongly. And we can go into connection with Mother Earth on a more conscious level. And then just notice what you feel, what you sense, what you are shown, what's coming into your awareness, what wants to be known at this moment. And receive the guidance that is here for you now. And you might feel drawn to do this repeatedly and watch this recording several times. And the guidance that comes through might be different, might evolve. And so what I feel guided to share with you all today is that I'm seeing so many nature spirits who are living in the earth and who are kind of coming up to connect. And yeah, it's like they've been hiding and waiting for the right time to come back up to the surface of the earth. And now is the time. Now is the time to connect with those who are open to create and cultivate a connection with them, who are open to their medicine and guidance and playfulness and joy. And there are really so many of them. And they want you to know that you are feeling the call to connect with them for a reason. You are a pioneer because connecting with nature spirits isn't in the mainstream yet. It will be, but right now you are a pioneer and you're helping to bring this knowledge and wisdom back, and the awareness that there is so much more that we can connect with and perceive and co-create with. And so if you feel drawn to connect with nature spirits, explore who they are, connect more with nature, with trees, plants, animals, then this is a part of your mission or your purpose. And the more you can cultivate this connection for yourself and receive the blessings, receive the joy, the playfulness, the ease into your own life and your own being and your own body and relationships, the more you'll be able to spread this awareness, and the more clarity you'll receive about how valuable this connection is and how you are meant to share this with others. So I'm seeing that there are so many new possibilities opening up with this connection with nature. So many new projects and ideas and creations, and giving space to that, sitting with these ideas and with these seeds that want to be planted and germinate. So the more you allow yourself to be with them, the more they are able to enter your life and inform all of your being and all of the spaces you're in, the projects you're working on, the people you're connected with. And this is a very exciting time because this is very new and something that we get to explore, to be curious about, and to learn a lot about, to weave into our lives, and then to share with others. And first and foremost, we share this through our lived experience and through our radiance and aura and how we are in the world. And then second, there are these projects that we are guided to bring into the world, the way we are guided to support clients, work with other people, create our gardens, create our spaces. So I feel this is really informing us on so many levels. And so it will be different, the guidance each of you will receive individually, because we're all part of this big web of life, and each of us is bringing in different strands. So each of us has a slightly different purpose, but we're all being informed by Mother Earth and the nature spirits and nature. Yeah. So if you're new here, my videos are always like they are an energy transmission. So you will be able to feel them and they are working with you. And if you watch them repeatedly, they will go deeper and you'll be able to access deeper clarity and insights. And if you wish to receive individual tailored support, then you're very welcome to book a one-on-one session and to really dive into how you can build a relationship with the nature spirits, what kind of projects they want to co-create with you that are in alignment with what brings you the most joy and makes you feel most alive and invigorated, and also brings the biggest blessings and value to Mother Earth and everyone around you. So this is a very, very joyful space to be in with the nature spirits. And I love to hold space and to bring more clarity to these creations that are really ripe to come through. So if you feel the pull or the call in your heart, then I invite you to reach out, book a call, and dive deeper. Yeah, thank you so much for being here. I'd love to hear anything that came through for you that you feel guided to share in the comments. Might make it more tangible for others as well. And I look forward to sharing more whenever I feel guided. And yeah, talk soon. Take care. Enjoy. Bye bye.